In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, let's start how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. First of all, click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Click on the three marks which is on top corner. Click on setting and privacy. Now click on privacy. You can see different things like profile views. Click on this. If you turn this on, then you can see who viewed your profile. Now come back to inbox. Here you will show a notification that who viewed your profile if you got on from the setting. That's the procedure how to see who viewed your TikTok profile that appear in your inbox. Thanks a lot. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.